Here we have a 2018 BMW 540i. Did this one a little different. I think they call this Bobazooko, if I'm saying that correctly. Not quite as aggressive as some of them you see, but out the side a little bit. Comes out a little bit of an angle, as you can tell there. It's all 3-inch. Muffler delete, resonator delete, factory cats. Should give it a little rumble. That's what everybody's looking for these days. I want to wake up the neighborhood, so let's see what it sounds like. Oh yeah, that's pretty loud. Calm down a little bit. Once it gets off the cold start. There it goes. It's a rumbling. There it goes. Settles down a little bit. All right, there you go.